Welcome to the future of making money online. If you're tired of scams and unreliable methods, you're in the right place. Today, I'm revealing legit, proven, and sustainable ways to earn money online in 2025. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or someone looking to build financial freedom, these methods will work for you. Stay tuned till the end for a bonus tip that can 10x your online income. 1. Freelancing. Sell your skills online. One of the fastest ways to start making money online is freelancing. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to sell your skills in graphic design, video editing, content writing, programming, and more. How to start? Identify your best skill: writing, coding, video editing, etc. Create an attractive profile on Fiverr or Upwork. Offer competitive pricing to attract your first clients. Deliver high-quality work and get good reviews to increase your earnings. Freelancers can make $500 to $10,000 per month, depending on skills and experience. 2. Affiliate marketing. Earn while you sleep. Affiliate marketing is one of the most profitable and passive income sources. You earn a commission every time someone buys a product through your referral link. How to start? Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, or Impact. Promote products via blogs, YouTube, or social media. Use SEO, email marketing, and paid ads to drive traffic. Scale your earnings by promoting high-ticket products. 500+ commissions per sale. Many affiliate marketers make $1,000, $50,000 per month just by recommending products they love. 3. Dropshipping. Start an online store without inventory. With dropshipping, you sell products without keeping inventory. When someone orders from your store, the supplier ships directly to the customer. How to start? Choose a niche: fashion, tech gadgets, fitness, etc. Set up a store using Shopify or WooCommerce. Find reliable suppliers on AliExpress or Spocket. Run Facebook, Instagram ads to get customers. Many people scale their dropshipping stores to $10,000+ month. 4. YouTube content creation. Monetize your passion. YouTube is still a goldmine for making money online. You earn money from ads, sponsorships, and even selling your own products. How to start? Choose a niche: tech, finance, gaming, lifestyle, etc. Post valuable, engaging videos consistently. Get 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours to monetize. Use sponsorships, affiliate marketing to increase earnings. Successful YouTubers make anywhere from $500 to $100,000 per month. 5. Print on demand. Sell custom products without investment. Print on demand (POD) allows you to sell custom t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more without handling inventory. How to start? Sign up on Teespring, Redbubble, or Printful. Design t-shirts, hoodies, and accessories. Market your designs using TikTok, Instagram, or Pinterest. Earn passive income as customers buy your designs. Many pod sellers earn $1,000 to $20,000 per month effortlessly. Bonus: AI automation, the future of online income. With AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Canva AI, you can automate content creation, social media posts, and even customer service. Some ideas: use AI to write ebooks and sell on Amazon KDP. Start an AI-powered blog that generates income from ads, affiliate links. Offer AI-generated logo website designs as a service. AI is the future, and those who leverage it can 10x their online income. There you have it. These legit online money-making methods are proven, scalable, and beginner-friendly. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more money-making tips. Stay focused, stay consistent, and let's make 2025 your year of financial success.